Welcome to the Occupational Safety Leadership Podcast, episode number 218. And in today's episode, we're just going to do a little discussion. There is no right or wrong answer, but I just want folks to sit down and think about, do you know what your company's risk appetite is? Is there anything really written down? Is it implied? Is it that they want you to work super hard to a point? I mean, let's face it, I'd like to say that where we work is a zero risk place, but if it was zero risk, we probably wouldn't get any work done. So at some point, there has to be at least some form of residual risk the company is willing to accept. Um, Again, there is no right or wrong answer in this. I've just been talking to a few safety professionals, and when I broach this question, most actually don't know. So it's not meant to put anybody in a corner or point fingers. It's just um, a lot of times we get a lot of different mixed messages as safety professionals. It makes it really hard to truly advise everybody on everything if you're not 100% sure, because we really, well, I shouldn't say really, we probably need to base our actions off of the most hazardous consequences and severity, and then work back, of course. So at some point, when do we stop working on a hazard and issue and go focus on something else out there? So um, it's something that I think we all need to do a better job of asking about, myself included, of course, in this whole thing, because I find that even I get different answers depending on what executive I talk to. So I'm not sure the company really has one too. So let's just go back. Let's start to ask those questions. Let's start to almost peel back that onion. I know that sometimes we cry when we peel back an onion, but let's start to discover exactly what our company's risk appetite is. And with that, I want to thank everybody for joining me today. My name is Dr. David Ayers. Thank you and have a safe day.